Hello, my name is Michael Hartman and I'm a licensed mental health counselor. In today's video, we'll be going over the coping skill, deep breathing. If you've ever been to therapy before or gotten advice from a loved one or friend on how to relax, you may have heard a little something about breathing and its power to relax us. Deep breathing is a powerful method to reduce stress and anxiety and re-regulate or change in a positive way our felt experience of our emotions. In this video, we'll be doing a 5-minute guided deep breathing exercise. This exercise can be done anywhere, and I recommend that you try it first in a comfortable position, in a comfortable spot where you are free of distractions. So, I invite you to join me. Sit back comfortably in your chair. Let me adjust mine. And make sure your back is somewhat upright. You don't have to puff out your chest too much or arch your back, but just make sure that your back is nice and straight and you're feeling well supported in your seat. Next, and maybe we should have done this first, try to silence any phones you may have. I have a work phone and a personal phone. I like to put them on Do Not Disturb mode. Now, let us start by putting our hand on the upper part of our stomach. Let me adjust the camera so you can see. There we go. Deep breathing starts in the stomach. So first, I'd like you to breathe in deeply through your nose and feel your hand rise with your stomach. That's where the air should be going. Hold it for a moment and breathe out nice and slowly. Hold and breathe out nice and slowly. Two pro tips. On the exhale, you can pucker your lips like so, as if you were drinking from a straw. That helps us shoot the air out of our mouths much slower than if we were to have a more open mouth. Secondly, make sure your exhale is longer than your inhale. So if you breathe in for around 4 seconds, try to breathe out for 6. Let's put it all together. Breathe in through your nose. Hold. And release slowly. Let's do it again. Breathe in through your nose. Hold. Now release slowly. And again, in through your nose. Hold. And release slowly. continue doing deep breathing. Try to notice any feelings of relaxation. When I do this exercise, I feel the tension in my muscles easing off, and also a calm feeling in my head. I wonder what you feel. Now I invite you to take 3 more deep breaths, and after that we will conclude the exercise. Well done. I wonder how you're feeling right now. Chances are, with the multitude of deep breaths you just took, you're feeling relaxed and maybe a bit more comfortable. Deep breathing can help take down anxiety from what we call an intense place, or the red zone, where it's so much of it that you're feeling quite overwhelmed, and perhaps you're suffering a bit from the emotional pain of high anxiety. Deep breathing can bring you down to a lower level and ease some of that stress, some of that worry. Deep breathing is also very helpful when you find yourself getting irritated. And you can use deep breathing perhaps when you want to argue or lash out. Taking a few moments to take a step away from the situation and doing 2 to 5 minutes of deep breathing may take the edge off of your frustrations and help you think more clearly and articulate yourself in a clear manner that oftentimes when we're heavily stressed, we lose that ability, or it just becomes very hard to communicate in that manner. Deep breathing can be used at work. Sometimes I use it on the job in between clients, or sometimes I take a few deep breaths when I'm in session, just to help myself regulate my emotions. It can be used to help you get some rest if you find yourself restless and anxious before sleep. It could be used as a self-care method to start off the day. Maybe after you wake up, you can do some deep breaths, or after you brush your teeth, or maybe with a bit of your morning coffee or tea, you can take a few deep breaths. Deep breathing also gives us the opportunity to start becoming aware of how we feel. Oftentimes, when we're doing our deep breathing, we will experience thoughts and feelings that are associated with the stress and emotion we're trying to soothe. It's a very powerful technique, and I encourage it to many of my clients in their everyday so that they can always take a breather and take care of themselves. Self-care can be quite simple, as easy as taking a few minutes for yourself to take some deep breaths. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned more about deep breathing, and you can always come back to this video if you'd like for a refresher on the skill. And again, my name is Michael Hartman, licensed mental health counselor. I look forward to seeing you in the next coping skills video. Have a good day.